SSIS tutorial section. As you know that SSIS is a fully graphical tool and to uh, define your business logic to load your data from your source to destination. In our previous videos we have defined about control also, and we have already discussed about Execute SQL Task. So in this video we are going to demonstrate more about script task. So script task is a very generic component in SSIS package because there are some functionality which are not doable to all the available components. So in this case, to meet the business requirement, we need to write some custom codes. So with the help of script task we can do that. Okay, so if we are talking about the script task, then we are going to the script property. Then you can see in the script task editor it is containing 4 main properties like script language. If we are talking about script language, in this case you can see Visual C# is a by default language. This is because it is known in worldwide as a programming language. We have another option, that is Visual Basic VB. So if you are comfortable with VB or C#, you can choose any programming language for your script component for your program. Another script property is entry point. See, this is the main entry point from with if I am going to define as a entry point, that means we need to understand that inside the script task the execution of the program will be start from the main. And there are third property is read only variables. So in this case we can pass n number of variables by separated by comma. In this case, if we are passing any variables in read only variables, we can pass n number of variables by separated them with comma. So in this case, if we are passing any variable in this area, so in script task component they will be treated as a read only. So in this case we are not able to write any kind of the information and any value on it. So we have the another option that is read write variables. So in this case we can pass n number of variables also here. The main difference is it that we can write on these variables also, we can change their values also. Okay, so in this case we are going to show you some demo. So like this, in which ideal situations we can use the script task. Suppose that we want to unzip any file, then we can use the script task. If we want to know that file is exist or not and on the path, then we can use the script task also. So there is another case like that. If we want to know if file exists but data is available or not, then we can use the script task over here. If we want to pull the file from the webmail or any mail address, email, then we can use the script task. Okay, if we want to maintain the log information, then we can use the script task also. So script task is a very common component in SSIS package to write your custom codes in it. Another thing is that it is very helpful to accessing variables informations in via script task. So it can in now we are going to show you some demo. We are taking skip task over and write variable. Okay, and for this we are going to change it as a read variable value. Okay, okay, now we need a variable here, so we need a variable here, so we are creating new variable, that is str message msg. Okay, and type would be string. Okay, now in this case, in this property we are using it as a read variable, read and write. Okay, and click on edit script component script. Now you can see a new project window has been opened, that is Vista project. So this is the namespace of this project that is system generated. Okay, now here this is the main which is going to be execute over here. So in this case we are going to create a string str message, and we are going to, this is my first message, hello world. So we have typed this message over here, and we need to pass this. Now we need to pass this message to our variable. So we have the variable dts dot variable property, and that is str msg dot value equal to str message. Now you can see we have passed this message into the variable. That means we have write the value to the variable and save this. Okay, and close it. Now close this component also. Now with the help of precedence, connect with each other. In the second script, write read variable component into the edit properties. Then what we are going to do, we are fetching this value from here. Okay, now click on edit script. A separate window has been opened over here. Now we need to read the variables value over here. So message box dot show dts dot variables str msg dot value dot to string. So here we are going to read the variables value and save the project and close the project window and click on OK button. Now execute the package over here again. Now you can see the values has been passed on. So it is very easy how to use skip task. Please subscribe my channel on YouTube to more about on SSIS and their component. Thank you for watching us.